Hi everyone, my name is Utsav Sharma. I'm from Computer Science Department. I'm presenting my project on the tourist guiding application, which is Atithi. And this project is made under the guidance of Professor KB Dubey. So here's the abstract. With the current pandemic, the industry that took the worst hit right now were travel and accommodation along with some services industry. So we thought of this project idea as of which could provide assistance to the tourist guides and help in promoting the heritage spots for tourism. This project will only cover a basic aspect of the idea. This project was made with the purpose of learning of how to implement the real-time solutions and how they are incorporated using the technologies. Introduction. In this project, we have developed a multi-platform application named Atithi, which is a tourist guiding application. This application will act as an intermediate between the tourist and the guide. The application will take the locations as input from the user and then formulate the best possible route between all the important destinations. The application will provide you the nearest registered guide as you reach the destination if you wish to opt for a guide. The app will provide you the estimated time, distance, and fare of events, pass and travel as to avoid being scammed. So the problem statement is travel and tourism is one of the leading industry in the Indian economy. Sometimes the tourists met some fraud local guides during their tour. Guides don't get the regular work, so this application will help both guides and tourists. Here is the application model where there is a tourist and on the other side there is a guide. Tourist and guide both will register on the application and their data will be saved in the database. Now the tourist will provide some information about the destinations which he or she wants to visit, and then after the formulation of that input data, input information, the application will provide the best route to the tourist, and as the tourist will follow that route and he or she will be just reached his destination. The technologies used in this application are for the development of multi-platform application. We have used React Native, which is a JavaScript framework. For the backend part, we have used Node.js. To store the data, we have used MongoDB, which is a document-oriented database. The APIs used in this application are Geolocation API and Alexa Skillset API. Here is the use case diagram of the application. And here are some modules which we have recorded and showed here. So the first one is the sign up module. This is the homepage of our application. First, the user have to select whether he is a traveler or the travel agent. For example, I have selected traveler and then click to next. Now the user have to enter all the valid information in this registration form. For example, its username, email address, password, address, phone, etc. So now the profile for the user is successfully created. Now, this is our login module. in which the user can enter all the username and the password which he have entered during the registration. After the logging in, the user will be redirected to the home page of the application. Now, after the login, the user have to create a tour and add places in it. We have to click on the add tour button. Then we have to enter the country we want to visit. And if we have some description, then we can add here about this tour. Now the tour is created, and now we have to edit place in it in this tour. We can do it by clicking on the plus button, and then now we have to enter the place we wants to visit and the number of days we wants to stay there. Now click on the create button. Similarly, we can add multiple places in a single tour. Now our tour is successfully created. Our application has a feature of nearby restaurants and hotels as shown in the presentation. It will show all the nearby restaurants with their basic information like their exact address and the phone number, or whether they are now open or closed. Similarly, the list of the hotels which are available there. Now, our application has the option of the guides which are available on the place. Here there is a button in the topmost corner of agent's request, which will show the available guides on a particular place. So the future possible features of our application would be that special features for women's safety can be added in the application. A feature for nearest accommodation in accordance to the tour can be a useful feature in the future. And various APIs of the food applications can be added to provide the better experience for the user. So the advantages of this application is that this application is mainly focused on the tourist. So it will help them to make a better tour plan on their own, and it will avoid being scammed by any local guides, as it will provide the list of guides that are available at that particular place. And this application will be a place where the tourists can do most of their work related to their tour, as it will provide the options for online hotel booking and food options. So we have decided to use the cryptography for the data security of our user and the guides, so it will so no one can misuse their data. So we have made a research paper on the topic of cryptographic encryption and data compression in data forensics. So here are some snapshots of our research paper. And here are the references which really helped us to build this application and the research paper. Thank you.